Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of pet care with a focus on our furry friends' nutrition. If you're a pet owner like me, you know the importance of keeping your pet's food fresh, organized, and easily accessible. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce you to what I believe is the best puppy food container out there. The Brabtod Cat Food Storage Container Airtight. Now, what sets the Brabtod container apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, it's made from high-quality BPA-free materials, ensuring the safety of your pet's food. Plus, its clear plastic design allows you to easily check on your pet's food supply at a glance. But it's not just about looks. This container boasts a sealing lid with a silicone seal, guaranteeing an airtight closure. No more worries about moisture or pests ruining your pet's food. And check out the U-shaped wide caliber design of the measuring cup, making it a breeze to pour out just the right amount of food. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Brabtod container has got you covered. Its portable design and ergonomic carry handle make it perfect for travel, walks, picnics, you name it. And with a capacity of up to 3 pounds of pet food, it's compact yet spacious enough to meet your pet's needs. So there you have it, folks. The Brabtod Cat Food Storage Container Airtight, the best puppy food container on the market. Keep your furry friend happy and healthy with this convenient and reliable storage solution. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy pet parenting.